Hi, it's me again. This is a very, very lovely Christmas display. And what I really, really love about this one is they have Noel lit up on the grass. Very, very pretty. And that's a snowman. Let's see, can we get closer to the snowman? I'm sorry, but the camera has to move because I am trying to get the snowman for you. So you can get a great look at the snowman. Isn't that a pretty snowman? That is so pretty. Oh, it's a snowman. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty Christmas display. And that's Noel. Very, very pretty. Let's get right in front of Noel. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. That's Noel. Very, very pretty. Yes, I really, really like that. Very, very nice, loving Christmas display. Okay? So, that's going to do it for this one. Alright, let me go and get a couple of more. Thank you for viewing. Bye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.